This is what I do every day as a mother of three, trying to gather myself together. A mother of three that does not have any helper. So this is how my house looks anytime my children finish preparing for school and they went to school. Hey, I have to arrange, clean and clean before I now prepare for my work. Guys, let's arrange the house together, Jare. So guys, this is how the arranging begins, but I need to get some vibe, crack some vibe before I start. Yes, I started by removing my bed cover, because removing my children's bed cover and the rubber where they take the piece, because my 6-year-old boy still dey piss for bed. Hey, Chineke, abeg talk to me guys on the comment section. Do you people have someone, like, how do your kids keep your house whenever they are going to school? Because my own is just like ebe ana avo aja. So guys, this is me trying to change their bed cover. I removed the one that they piss, then I'm trying to change the bed cover. Yes, so after changing the bed cover, I would, in fact, you guys should watch the video so that you will see how far I will go with this arrangement before and after cleaning the house. Watch guys.